Friends, welcome. Let's start our live trading session. We are live. Let me write to all people that we started. We are live. Good, we started. I see that you see me well. At this moment, I'm wearing Colombia because it's a little bit cold outside, but still. Friends, a few words about this live. What we are going to do today, we are going to analyze the trade market together. I will show you order for trading strategies. If that would be good and powerful situations that would be worth of our attention, we are going to trade all of these situations. At this moment, type into a chat about audio and video quality, and let's start. Write into a chat, how are you today? Start, hello. Good. Friends, write into a chat about audio quality by 10. Mark it by 10. What number you would give to our audio quality? And let's open. Okay, what happened at this moment on most of the market? Why is there so big volatility? Because a few seconds ago, there were a news announcement. Let me show it to you. Economical calendar. A few minutes ago, my friends, we faced news, core retail sales, forecast and actual. Have a look how retail sales in the US much bigger than expected, and because of that, there are big volatility. And let's check all of these numbers together here. Let's open this one. Good. I'll keep 10. Hello. Marianne Pankio 10. BTC is very, very volatile, yeah. Can we trade with you? And yes, we'll trade together in a case if there would be powerful situations. Because we won't open a trade just to open a trade. At this moment, what we are going to do, we are going to analyze whole entire market. And if the market will show to us powerful patterns, we are going to trade together. Yeah, Daniel, let's go. Good, awesome. And also, friends, mark by 10 your mood. Are you ready for a good trading session today? Mark by 10 your mood today. For me, it's interesting to hear, to see. Okay. Let's start. When we do our analysis, as always, we start from S&P 500 because market have big correlation between S&P and between Bitcoin. At this moment, by 10, vote about your mood. How excellent is it? Like 10, you are happy, you are enjoying, you're ready to do a lot of stuff with the market. Like 1, you have maybe some, you're unhealthy at this moment and you just tired to be alone and you would like to speak. Vote, please. For me, it's interesting to see a mood people that join us. Okay, S&P rising. Let's go to BTC. About Bitcoin, friends, what's going on at this moment on a bigger scale? On a bigger scale, BTC At this moment, have a look on this important stuff. BTC at this moment broke this biggest volume area. Why this stuff is important for us? Because breakout of this volume area means for us, my friends, that some people build short position. Some people build a big short position. And if this breakdown true, BTC easily can go down to one of these areas. This stuff calls a volume area. It is a place where big guys with big pockets, what they do here, they build their positions. For example, to accumulate a lot of coins for short, if you have big wallet, you cannot do it in just by one trade. That's why they use this stuff as it calls accumulation. Maybe you heard many times, especially if you're a year plus in trading, stuff as accumulation. And in such areas, they accumulate their volume. And after, when price move out of such areas, only after that, there could be some beautiful and significant moment. At this moment, what we have, BTC broke this area. And especially if 4-hour candle close below, there could be a signal that it can drop even to take stop losses, these guys. That's why let's see. Let's see what is going to happen. Because at this moment, it's not beautiful for buyers. Elmatix, hello everybody. A long time not to see you. Matix, happy to see you here. By the way, how are you these days during this volatility? That's why. What we have, friends, we have, let me close all of the stuff that I don't want you to see on all other stuff. Oh, let's make this chart. This one would be way better for us. What we clearly see at this moment, price below VWAP and price broke down this volume area. That means at this moment, priority is down. Priority is down even to one of these key levels. Why priority is down? Because as I told you, someone accumulating and price failed to stop this price. And that means sellers stronger. These guys easily can go to take stop losses of people here or people that hide here at this level. That's why what we do at this moment, we wait for some beautiful confirmation to take short at this moment. What about other coins? Let's cover other coins. About Ethereum, nothing changed since today. In our club, I sent today a trading plan about Ethereum and BNB. Have a look. We sent this plan, BNB and ETH. That Ethereum is going to break this significant range area and break out of this area with a big chance if is going to drop into this area, 1171 or even this one. At this moment, what I can tell you, price reached only this local level, and that's it. And nothing else important happened. Nothing else. Because at this moment, I analyze significant volumes that were traded, and let me about Ethereum, friends, it was only one level where it was possible to take some trade. It was this local level, and price at this moment potentially could go to VWAP. At retesting VWAP, we'll try to find some short patterns if especially significant volume appears. Ethereum, same as BTC, below this important volume area, and still on a bigger time frame, they easily can go into this area to take stop losses. Present this TS solution. I think will drop to 15.9K before any rise to 18.4. We'll come back to BTC. Guys, tell me please, how many of you understand what indicators I showed to you this on a chart? Because maybe some of you don't understand these indicators for volume profile or other basic indicators. Type at this moment into a chart one if you clearly understand those indicators. If you understand those indicators, just type one. For me, it would be enough to continue. Okay. Yeah. Fixed volume profile. Really important stuff because it shows to us well value distributed, and quite often after that price moves a lot from such areas. That's why such areas together with significant size in a footprint will weave up all together. They can give to us really accurate entry point. We never use them alone. Okay, that's why at this moment, just by local perspective, price at this moment down. Sometimes, guys, price can do something like this. Let me show to you an example. Sometimes price do like this example for you. They do fake out into opposite direction. It's like a stop loss hunt of volume area, like this one. They did move up, fake up, and after that massive drop. Sometimes like this happens, but in what cases we can spot it and we can predict something like this? Honestly, we can't. But if that would be like this, at such local rise, significant size appears here, we could try to trade into opposite. I will show to you example on BNB, because at this moment on Ethereum, there's nothing to take. Okay, and let's check. Let's check, friends, Ethereum at this moment. What I mean by checking Ethereum, I mean by checking this one. We are opening significant volumes. Let's check significant volumes. Mood player, make video on VWAP. Soon there would be videos about top indicators that we use. It is VWAP, volume profile, quite a lot of them. That's why just remember to subscribe to the channel, and soon there would be a lot of really important stuff about indicators. Okay, at this moment, let's check about Ethereum. It's a little bit, this platform works a little bit slowly. Let's open another one. Let's open Ethereum, my friends, and you'll see by if everything what's going on in the DOM. Oh my God. This one. And let's open this one. This one, it's about Ethereum. Have a look. What's going on Ethereum, my dear? Oh my God. 1 second, please. And let me move it into another screen. Double. Hey Yuri, I hope you're doing good, man. Yeah, man, we are good. We are, despite of all situations, we are stay strong and we are working, and everything is okay. Our mood is unshakable. Okay. What's going on with at this moment with a Dogecoin? Not, it's not Dogecoin. My apology. No, this one would be way bad. Nine. Okay, let's do, guys, this one. By this one, it would be way better and easier for me to analyze it. What's going on? As I told you, this important level. Why this stuff is important for us? Because quite often at such levels, when price do especially fake real lows, significant volume appears. I would like to show to you as an example on BNB. A few days ago, BNB did a beautiful drop from significant size. Let me show to you that significant size. And maybe something like that we are going to look for at this moment to trade, because at this moment, what's going on with the market? Only BNB at this moment entered some liquidity zone, and we should check about BNB. About BNB, let me explain to you bigger picture that's going on. BNB, as many other coins at this moment, also below this significant volume area. Why all of this stuff is important for us? Because if this breakdown real, true, and powerful, that means price would go much lower, because it's really big accumulation at this moment. And for a bigger perspective, when price breaks such important volume areas, quite often it moves a lot. That's why at this moment, the most important question, is this a real breakdown, or it just price will move around and only after that do some clear moment? For BNB, we need something like happened, by the way, like happened here at November 14. What was the beauty on BNB? Let me show to you the trading plans that I sent to our community members. BNB exactly reached important key level where significant volume traded. Have a look. That's, I'm showing to you power of footprint. At this level, at this price, it was 12th of November. Huge volume traded, biggest volume traded exactly at 292 on a spot market. And have a look, my dear, here it was the biggest size. Beautiful re-high, trap, and beautiful drop. After that, price again retested biggest size and again drop. That's beautiful. That's what we need to make really powerful and good trade. That's what we need to make really powerful and good trade at this moment. And sadly, but at this moment, there is nothing like this. Let's wait. Guys, about apps that I use, let me send to you links into description. Let me send to you. Remember that below this video, there would be a description. Here is, you can open account with exchange, trustful exchange that we use. And also about software that I use, give me a few seconds and I'll send to you into description. You'll be able to download. Do not hurry up, please, at this moment, because what we do at this moment, we analyze for really good and powerful opportunities. And only when that opportunities appears, we are going to consider some trades. Because at this moment, there is no significant volume on a spot, on a futures market, on our top coins. Platform that we use, I just sent to you into description. You'll be able to download. And another one. Both platforms that I use at this moment, I sent to you friends into description. What I sent to you, it was an example on BNB. Significant volume appeared after the price retested and made beautiful drop. At this moment, BNB in the middle of significant range, and price did this beautiful reload here. It could be possible good entry for at least moving into this area, but we need significant volume as a improvement. We need significant volume as improvement, because in other cases, I won't let you to take a trade just right now, because in other cases, it would be a loss trade. That's why about BNB summary. Globally, BNB broke down this important area. If this breakdown true, BNB should go at least to 260 to take stop losses of all of these people in the middle of this range. What will be after, only time will show. BNB, Dogecoin. Dogecoin also in the middle of this significant range. Honestly, at this moment, it is one of the most difficult plays to trade because next key areas, it is minimum here and here. That's why we're also in the middle. We should wait for some significant volume. Solana, friends, breaking this important volume area. Solana far below VWAP. That means at this moment balance down. That's why Solana also priority is down. CHZ, compared to many other coins, this one in the middle of this global range. And at this moment, it's difficult to trade this coin because while whole market do nothing, it's slowly rising. And that's why it's difficult with this coin. OP. OP, have a look. Have a look on this one. OP also breaking this important range area. Retest to VWAP potentially could give to us good short. Let me set alert here. APT. APT also nearly this biggest volume area. And if this volume will be broken, also price could at least reach this area. 380, where this significant volume established. Matic, nothing beautiful. Okay, nothing beautiful on all other coins. Let's see what is going to happen. Friends, type to me into a chat what coin should I analyze for you. About BTC, at this moment looks bearish. Okay. Have a look how BTC dropping. Have a look. Have a look on this, guys. BTC beautifully dropping. BTC broke all of the stuff, but at this moment it's too late to take to consider any trade. During the news, this volatility happened. They just took stop losses of all people and go on. That's it. I would consider to take long on BTC only at one of these levels, only at those levels, because it is a places where enough liquidity. Until that, better to consider short trades after pullback. Okay, let's do. What's the name of volume indicator? My dear, I am Marcus Finn. Explain, please, what exactly indicator you mean? Tell me, please, what indicator you are looking for. Because we have a lot of indicators. We have cumulative delta, we have volume, we have VWAP, we have volume profile, we have DOM, we have footprint, and all of them based only purely on volume. About this volume profile, it is this one fixed range volume profile, because I choose proper ranges to analyze it. Because if you, for example, if you will do this fixed volume range profile and you'll be in the middle of this range, honestly, it will be difficult to make any trade decision. That's why it's important to properly establish that volume profile. But for us, it's clearly that at this moment, it is a major value area that we are traded. And also, let's check this local one. Also the same, biggest volume here. That's why let's see. I would like to open a trade only in the middle of this area when price retest big volume, or in the middle of this one of these areas. In other cases, it's not wise to open a trade without at least some significant volume. Doubler, for you answer to your question, which Bitcoin chart do you prefer to use? My friend, we use both of them because sometimes price make a move because of spot market, sometimes price makes a move because of a futures market. But we analyze on Binance, because the biggest volume traded on Binance. But I have account management that I do on Bybit and other exchanges, and I understand difference between all of these charts. You can trade on any exchange that you like. You can trade, for example, on Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, all other exchanges that really worth attention, but always analyze Binance, because biggest volume is here. Magic. Lucian Dot. This data, I use several platforms. I use several platforms like this one. On this platform, like I trade and use several platforms, and all of you, I sent to you friends into a chat, you'll be able to download it. Because some platform I use like this one, that looking for me for significant volumes that are already traded. Like with our team, what we did, have a look like this Ethereum footprint. We receive notification into Discord when significant volume trades. Have a look like today, 15:08. It is my East European time, Ukrainian time. More than 3.5 thousand coins traded, and price and this sent a notification. Have a look how price after that. Have a look. It was exactly, let me open here lower time frame, when that significant volume appeared. At this moment, what we do, we create a special bot that look for significant volumes and will send to our community members. And have a look how price, few minutes ago, big volume traded exactly here, and price did this beautiful local rise. That's really awesome. And it was 1.79% of movement. It is not. It wasn't the biggest volume that I saw and that we used for a trade. Let me show to you an example when way bigger volume traded, way bigger, like this one, Solana, 152,000 coins, and we receive notification. At this moment, we test this bot, and soon I'll open it to community members. Would you like to get access to this bot data notification from this bot for free? If some of you interesting, type plus into the chat. I will tell you what you can do to get for free. Okay. What else? Last significant volume we saw only 1 hour ago. Let me check. Maybe there any other significant volume. Okay. Guys, I understand that at this moment, some of you came just to see exactly a trade. You mean exactly right now a trade, but it is not the. It's not how we do this stuff. We wait for significant volume, and after that, based on that volume, we take a trade. And at this moment, BTC far from any significant volume that were traded. Have a look. Last time significant volume on the futures. Let me open futures market for you. Where was the biggest volume? Last biggest volume was at 12:30, 3 hours ago, 3.5 hours ago, or last time significant volume traded on BTC. And have a look, by the way, how price exactly during the news retested that significant volume price. And at this moment, it's too late to take some trade. Honestly, it's a little bit late. Friends, what we decided to do for all of you, we decided to share with you. Most of you can get access to such alerts entirely for free. What we did, we create for you a special offer. Those of you that open account by our trustful exchange, Bybit, and will trade on that exchange, at least minimum account 100 USD, you can get access to that bot entirely for free. Because to trade, you need exchange, and you need exchange with good access to futures, to platforms, and they will pay part fee with us, and we will maintain that service for you entirely for free. That's why if this offer is good for you, here's a link to open account, and after you open account, fill the form. That's it. Okay. About BTC, at this moment, it's only going down. Okay. Let's do a short summary. BTC on lower time frame is down. Only reaching one of these key areas could trigger us to consider open long or any significant size. We at this moment don't have big size and areas. That's why we are bearish at this moment. Same with ETH. Also, Ethereum slowly dropping, price below VWAP. All breaking trend is down. No massive volume. The same with BNB. At this moment, there's only one problem, that we don't have significant volume to consider trade. Price a little bit far from, have a look where is volume area established here at 278, and that's even from VWAP 2%, 2 and 8%. It's a little bit too late to take some short. The same with all other coins. Friends, type plus into the chat if you're still here. We have electricity shortage. I went out and started my generator. Uh, I started my generator, and at this moment everything is okay, and we are going to start because uh, sadly, but still, let me check. By StreamYard, I can see that everything is okay. Everything is started and working. Good. Good, guys. Thank you. Thank you that all of you still here. Push. Tell me that some of you took short in BTC. At this moment, I still wait for better opportunity. If some of you interesting what happened, you can type one into the chat, and I'll tell you about this situation. What just happened? Okay. Some people. I'm here, bro. Poria, thank you. Thank you, friend. Okay. At this moment, as I told you, BTC bearish, Ethereum also bearish, and BNB also bearish. There is no a signal of a power. Mhm. Okay. We are starting all the platforms. It's here. Good. Mm. Yeah, it's a power cut because Russians they did yesterday one of the biggest airstrikes and they hit electricity infrastructure. And at this moment, they turn off from electricity people randomly, and you don't know when you will be cut off. We have generators, that's why everything is okay, and we are here until gas. We have many liters of gas, maybe to do live until next morning. That's why everything is okay. Uh, TC once more. All of this down. There's nothing else what we can do at this moment. BNB looks like price just did impulse down. Have a look. This beautiful impulse down. Let's check was any significant volume traded on some coins at bottom. Okay, Ethereum last time significant size we saw only on Ethereum. There's no other coins with a significant volume. Have a look at this moment, BNB, my friends. BNB just dropping, and a few seconds ago, price did that impulse as they just this impulse by 1.5%. And at this moment, honestly, there is no any significant volume that we can use as an entry on BNB. It just down. That's it. It just down. Only at this level, pay attention for all of you. I highly recommend you to pay attention to this important level on BNB. It is exactly this one, 268. Because if price, for example, will do some fake breakdown, this level. In many cases, first time, as they do fake out, and there could be some pullback, at least to view up. That's why what we do at this moment, we set alert on BNB exactly at if Dogecoin, Dogecoin also close to this level. At this moment, too late to do anything here on a Dogecoin. Mm, okay, everything is down as you can see. What we can do also to find good opportunities, we also can look and open heat map. Let's check a heat map. Uh, I showed BTC now from the morning, Max. Awesome. Good, Max. Really cool stuff because breakout of this, they will need to at least to take stop losses, these guys, to close their shorts. That's why a lot of space for drop. Max, what other trades do you have? Unlucky kind. How I got a question. Should I trade based on funding? Like funding is positive, go long, or if it's negative, go short? Uh, uh, about funding, it is not some holy grail that help you that will help you completely understand what's going on. For example, Solana during that massive drop, they also had super negative funding. There were periods when you paid nearly 1% for keeping short rate, and what? Still, it dropped. Have a look how much. Better to trade not only by funding, also pay attention to significant areas because have a look like on this key area on the Solana. What price did fake breakdown into key area and beautiful rise without pull back by nearly more than 20%. That's really worth attention. But just use funding, price can go against that funding for several days before it starts working, and you will lose money. Doubler, I know why you need unbreakable mood respect. Thank you, my friend. Tough times, but still we go on, and everything will be okay. Uh, mm, at this moment, we just analyze, friend. At this moment, we just analyze technical analysis of major coins, and at this moment, there is nothing to do on those major coins. What we are going to do is then next. We are going to analyze other top coins, but we are going to use another service that calls a heat map. Let me show to you. Why is it stuff? This one. At this moment, we are going to use another service to find some trading opportunities because uh, Max took it if long at uh, 1180, 70. I like that areas. I like that area, this one, but I would be happy to take only if we impulse some volume. You need to take some volume, especially if on spot some significant volume will be traded. I also will take long at this level. Just to take long because we like it, it's not the best. Okay, guys, what we are going to do at this moment, we are going to analyze if there are any significant volumes that will be traded here. We are going to analyze and trade because, as I told you, direction of a market today is down, but before taking any trades, we need clear entry points. We do not trade only because we just have a desire. We trade when we have preconditions. Type into a chat plus if you understand what's preconditions. Mhm. At this moment, what we are going to do with you, we are analyzing with all of you, my friends, significant volumes that placed as a pending orders. Example for you, like I sent to uh, most of you here, I sent this stuff. That significant volume appeared on AEV as a sell limit. And after that, price without any pullback dropped by 2.6%. That's example for you what's the power of significant volume. And at this point, we are looking for such significant volumes with you. Because if that significant volume is close to a current price, it also potentially could be a good place to take entry for us. On BNB, have a look. Some orders. Was this order traded on BNB or not? Let's open BNB futures market. 270. Have a look at this one. 3,700 on the futures market were traded. 270. It is exactly this level. Let me show it to you. This one. Uh, for us to take short, what would be really good? If BNB at this moment would make some rise into this area and here some significant volume appears, that would be a signal to take short, real powerful scalping short. Mhm. I like the look of your DOM on Tiger does that shows pending market orders coming in before the timeline. It always shows big pending orders, but at this moment we don't see any significant limit order to consider it as really important for us. That's why about BNB once more, BNB close to this level, and for me, from my perspective, big chance to take stop losses of these guys here. Delta was super negative. That's why let's see. Maybe there would be additional breakdown. Because we don't have any significant volume at this moment to consider a trade into long. That volume is not enough for me personally to consider it as a long trade. This moment, I'm looking for any significant size, friends, to show you as an example, as a beautiful trade, because I think that would be one of the greatest example for you. Dot. Mm. Mhm. One moment, please. Give me a few seconds and I'll show it to you. I'll show to you, I explain to all you, or XLM. What about this volume? Have a look. Sometimes I could be like this one. In the middle of nothing, significant volume, 2.7 million coins traded on the futures market. But that's not, it is not what we are looking for. Axe Infinity, scam coin. Yeah. Looks like nothing. AAV only was example for you. It is that volume that I sent to you, AAV. Price drop at this moment by 4%. That's what we are looking for. That volume sent our community member. It wasn't me. It was not me. It was here. He sent exactly to our channel. After that, we analyzed it together, and some people took a trade. That's what we need at this moment. But we don't have such significant volume, not on BTC, and we don't have it as on other coins, future like BNB and all other stuff. That's why we simply at this moment need just wait for any significant powerful plays. That's it. Okay, this one we should close it. Okay. Guys, at this moment, we are going to wait for some significant places. We are going to wait for some significant places because I don't want to take a trade just to jump in without any significant preparation. Before that, while we do that, what we are going to do at this moment, type into a chat few questions that you have regarding DOM footprint, and I'll reply to you, explain to you. BNB. Mhm. 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 Friends, what trades at this moment, what positions do you have? Because at this moment, we are waiting for some significant volumes to establish before we will take any trades. At this moment, there is no. I'd like have I close BTC short or no? Mm, one moment, friends. I will check one thing about how generating is working. Mm. 16,800. Max, about your short on BTC 16,800. You open the short exactly in the middle of this volume area. It is not that place. In normal cases, I would consider to close it at least the price would reach one of these levels because close to close your short at this moment, it is not the best place to get out because we don't have anything important here. We don't have any established volume, as we don't have really huge, significant stop loss hunt. We have some volume, but still it is not liquidation volume. That means to get out here, just like you get out here because maybe you scare. And break even not the best because still price easily can reach the significant volume. That's why it's like it's not good to short. Uh, it is not good to open long because there's no precondition for long at this point. But to get out from short, if you get out from short at this moment, that means you are thinking that all of this breakdown that's going on right now, this stuff is a fake, and price after that will break back the significant volume. Only in that case, you can consider to close short if you believe in that. Because 16,800 normal place for short. Still, it is like at VWAP, all of this stuff. Stop loss into break even. Honestly, it's a difficult place because stop losses quite often go take break even and after that move into your favor. Better, what you can do is to close at least part of your position to be out of any risk, and that's it, and enjoy. Abdul, let's check your atom because you wrote about atom several times. Max, about you once more. You took short. If you have a desire to close your short, that means you think breakout of this volume areas, it is a fake, and price is going to go oppositely. About atom, you guys, you wrote you bought atom, yes? Atom Cosmos. Atom is in the middle of this range. Tell me, please, why are you buying atom? It is in the middle of this significant range. Globally, what about this volume areas? Globally, atom didn't establish one large area because have a look how many times it just traded upper and upper. That means we don't have one really significant established volume area. That's really difficult for atom. At this moment, it is between these two important volume areas, and to take long in the middle, there must be some reason for that. What's your reason for taking long at this moment? You bought atom at 8 1024. What's the reason? I would understand if you have desire to buy atom, but you would like to buy it higher, at least above this area, because at this moment atom below this major resistance. And if price breaks this, confirm it as support, I would understand. But at this moment, why? Also, I would understand if you would buy atom, for example, price do some real low fake breakdown, and after that you take long. But at this moment, just you take long to take long. It's not what you need to do. Can you please explain your process of choosing where to put the start of your fixed volume profile? Yes, I'll explain that a little bit. Before, let's check a little bit, friends, what's going on with our BTC and BNB. BNB close to important area where potentially could be some short. It is exactly this one, 274, and that's really close to you up. Let's see about this one. If there would be some confirmation, only in that case we will take some short. BTC also at this moment in a range, and there could be some potentially pullback. Let's see what is going to happen with BTC. And let's reply to you. Let's reply to you, my friends, about your question regarding fixed volume profile. Volume profile, for me, I use volume profile only in one reason. For me, it's important to understand where whales, big guys, build some position, and after that they would start protecting that position. Example for you, like even this example, how Dogecoin played out many times, significant volume. Let's have a look like this one. Quite often, what I do when price do impulse, I like to build exactly like this range, like this one. I would build like this here volume profile area, and what I see after that, I would see that exactly this one, this place of significant volume, and after that price bounce from this several times. After that, this one become important resistance, and if price moves into one of this direction, quite often that would be breakout. After that, such volume become important support resistance, especially when price reach that significant volume first time, like this one. Have a look. How many times they tried to push it through, but they failed. They did this massive pullback, and only after they were able to break this through. After that, have a look this example, significant volume, like this local pump, this area. Have a look again, significant volume established. And what they did, they pumped a coin to retest this volume, to break evens, all of this stuff. Like you can build this volume, and your major goal is to find some local places where significant volume established. Because for you, what's your most important task when you use volume profile is to identify, like this one, have a look, in what area volume will become important support resistant, like it was this one many times, this one many times, this one many times. Because that volume, it is areas where it is the best to take your trades. Because when you take a trade in a proper area, possibilities that you will make money and that will move into your favor many percent way bigger. Friends, type into a chat one plus, better type plus if you use significant areas to open a trade. If for you it's so important to enter any liquidity zone before you take a trade. Type plus if you do it, and type minus if you don't do it or you don't understand what's liquidity zone. And I will explain to you. I will show to you one example. Steel Pana about good entry. At this moment, we wait. As I told you, locally we bearish because there is no other signals. About link, let's check. A link USDT. Remember that I do video short-term trading. When you ask me to look for a good entry ideas, that means we are looking for some short-term trade ideas. That's it. I do not pretend you to give you some trades to keep it for several years. I can find to you some areas where potentially could be a good place, like this one, this key level 529. It is at this moment key support area. If the price make fake breakdown of this area, that could be beautiful rise, especially if any significant volume appears here. From lower time frame, price really in a shitty place. Here an example for you why I love important levels, because nearly important levels, significant liquidity zone established. Because a lot of people that build long position, it is a place where they take stop losses, get out, and some breakouts traders will use it as a possibility to accumulate liquidity. From volume profile perspective, at this moment we are breaking. We are breaking all of this area down, and if this breakdown true, pull back to view up could be a good place to take short. But only in a case if this breakout of this volume profile area is true. Sometimes they do fake out, but it is another topic to discuss. But like this one. That's why retest to view up, and especially if any significant volume will be traded here, it would be best place to take short, with potential even reaching this 529. About long, in what cases I would consider to take any long entry? First case, if price reaches this area and any significant volume appears here. First. Secondly, if price breaks up significant volume area, and that volume area become important support. Only in these two cases I would consider to take long, because while global trend down, price below significant volume, price below VWAP. There is no significant volume in the clusters. There is no reasons at this moment to consider any kind of absorption, any kind of fake breakdown. Guys, I see at this moment only a few people vote plus and minus. Yeah, high volume nodes for the trade ideas, that's really important. High volume nodes. I see only a few people only voted. Okay. Good, good. Okay. BTC just trading. Let me explain to you what means significant volume and why it's key to us. One example that I sent to you today about BNB. Let's cover again this example. And after, by analyzing this example, you will understand why significant volume really important for us. Because have a look on this beautiful example. BNB at 12th of November did significant pump. Exactly at 292, someone sold 12,440 coins on a spot market. It is spot market, what I showed to you. 12,440. We multiply it by a price, it is more than 3.6 million of dollars. It is only this big order. And have a look this, 8 millions plus 5. That means together it is 13,000 coins. Approximately additional, friends, 4 millions. And this area become important resistance. And such areas, it's really powerful places to take a trade, because have a look on this example. Have a look on this example. BNB. 12th of November and powerful pump. And have a look what happened here. Price reached important key level plus significant volume traded. And after that, slowly but steadily 8% down. Even if you take a short with stop loss above tail with 1%, it's still really insane 1 to 7 risk reward if you would be able to sit through it. And again, have a look how after that, again, significant volume were retested within only 2 days. And again, price dropped into this area, again, nearly 8%. That's example for you why significant volume is important for us, because only significant volume can give to us accuracy, especially if that combined together with technical analysis like this one. What they did re-high. They took stop losses of all of these people that built short exactly here. Another example for you why volume really huge for us, really important. It was on Ethereum. Have a look on this example. It's also a trading plan that I sent to our community members. On Ethereum at 1,435, significant volume traded, 40,000 coins at this level, 10,000 here, and additional 10,000 web lower. You don't see it on this picture, just remember. That means altogether 60,000 coins on a spot market someone bought. If you multiply by that price, it is insane, 86 millions on a spot market. It wasn't futures, guys. And price, have a look where that significant size was 1,435, exactly at real low. Guess what happened after that? Just guess into the chat what happened after that. For me, it's just interesting to read your reply, friends. For me, it's interesting to read your reply. Tell me, pump it. Pump. Yeah, of course. After that, significant pump happens. This one, exactly this one pump. Yes, after price made massive drop, all of this shit, like, but still, guys, without any pullback, the price rose by 11%. 11%. And after that, CZ told that no, there would be no deal. And before a news, we knew that someone entered. That's really power of significant volume, but once more, only in a proper places. Because honestly, I did trade this stuff for a while. And at this moment, I understand that just to use volume is not enough. Honestly, it's not enough just to use volume because we like volume. There must be also additional confirmations. BTC is dropping. Have a look. And there is no significant volume to take a trade. Holy shit. Ethereum also down. I caught the short after a pump. Doubler, did you take that long on ETH? With big chance it's going to drop and accelerate. Max, are you still here? That's example for you why you don't need to be scary and keep your position, because at this moment, guys, big chance to drop at least into this area. Let's see what will be after, because at this moment there is no reason to stop. Someone just sold by market more than 100 BTC. Really massively negative delta finally. At least into this area, that would be really nice, because in all other cases there's nothing to do. At this moment, we more than 1 hour here, but friends, I didn't take entry because at this moment it's a little bit late to take short, and I wait for some pullback or any significant volume to consider entry. That's why at this moment we should wait for it. That's our beautiful BNB. Also nothing special. I just check volume to understand is there anything that we can trade at this moment. Nothing. Only down. Yeah. Better to have patience than just give money to the market. Sometimes we can sit several hours without a position, because like this one, sadly, this spike was on the news. Sadly, it was happened during the news. Because if that stuff would happen not during the news, maybe it would be our entry. Oh, finally, Dogecoin, significant volume traded at this moment. Let's check what's going on with Dogecoin. Dogecoin. What's going on with Dogecoin? Oh, some player came to Dogecoin. Do you see what's going on? What they do? Let me open this platform here. It would be better to see. What we did, my friends, have a look example, big sizes. For people in Discord, with a lag in maybe 1 minute, they get a notification about this significant sizes. It's here. That's example for you, friends, what's going on Dogecoin. Have a look. At this moment on the futures market, we have these two spots with 23, 20, and 23 million of coins. Honestly, it's not the biggest one. We need way bigger. For Dogecoin to consider this stuff a little really serious, we need at least 100 plus. We need at least more than 100 coins to consider it, 100 millions, my apology, to consider this stuff really significant. Why? Because that's just based on my experience, that's it. If there are at least 200 millions on the futures market needs at least in 5 times bigger volumes than on a spot market. Because if this stuff would be on a spot, our behavior would be completely different. How many of you understand that we on a crypto there are two markets, spot and futures, and both of them can move the price? Type plus if you understand that there are two markets. Type plus if you know that there are spot and futures, and type minus if you don't understand the difference. What could be potentially our plan? Oh my, one moment. It looks that this stuff becoming interesting. Good. That's awesome, guys, that all of you understand about these two type of markets. Futures market, I just would like to show to you, maybe that website still working. Let me open that website. FTX volume monitor. Do you have access to this website? Good. This website still working. And this website, what was the last day? 11th of November, like 5 days ago. But it's still data representative. Whole entire market by volume, 244 billions. And spot, only 52. Only one of fifth part, only were spot. As you can see, 4 or 5, it is futures market. Binance 113. That's the reason why Binance important for us. Binance, OKX, Bybit, top exchanges, and that's why for some serious movement on the futures, there must be at least 5 times more significant volume to consider that volume really significant. And let me show to you an example, another trade that I shared with our club community members. It was even this one, BNB 7,000 coins, small pump to big level. This example, same situation as happened on Dogecoin. Have a look. This stuff happened, it was on Monday. Yes, that was on Monday. Large volume established on Dogecoin, large volume. But have a look, what was the problem here? The price didn't like make this volume immediately important resistant or important support. Price for a start traded around, and only after that price makes this low volume important support. That's a problem when significant volume appears not in a proper place. Let me show to you this example on a Dogecoin. That significant volume appeared exactly this one, exactly here. exactly this one. I remember it. They did for a start this fake out, after that beautiful pump. Have a look what after that they did. Price breakdown. This volume become important resistance. After that, price retested this volume here. Like this volume played out several times. But before they did a trap. That's why at this moment, why we do not hurry up to open this trade on a Dogecoin, because it's not really biggest volume that I saw. Plus, really next important area is only here. This one, 83, 40, 83, 50. Yeah, nearly that area. And just to trade, to open a trade here, it's not, this volume is not what we need to consider. We need bigger. We need something bigger. At least twice of this. That would be really good for us. At this moment, if some of you would like to take long, local long, with a goal VWAP, it's really potentially good. You can try. But remember that it's a little bit risky and that's against the trend. That's why I personally skip it. Doubler spot far more important, especially when huge volume on a spot. I like honestly spot way better than significant volume on spot, because on a spot you don't have this crazy leverage like 100x. Because on a spot, if you see 100 million, that means maximum someone entered with double second leverage. Because on the futures, at this moment, someone entered a market on a Dogecoin 24, 25, 22. It is 69, 79 million of coins. 79. We multiply by 0.08. It's approximately, let's say it's be $6 million. But on a futures, even if you have 10x leverage, it is 600K of real money. That's why it is not something. At least 100 million, that would be really nice. Yes, but stronger hands. Yep. What the exact name? Fixed range volume profile. This one. I cannot take a name from here. Friends, I would like to remind to you about our free Discord, where I share 25% of the significant volumes that you can enter, and you also can trade with us, like this one in this market analysis and scalping trades, like this one AAV, significant volume on a spot, like other significant volume on BNB. You can join this stuff. It's all of this entirely for free, and just be with us in Discord. Also, those of you that will open account by our trustful exchange, Bybit, and will deposit with minimum 100 USD and trade of that exchange, you will get access to our Discord, where we'll share these powerful trading plans that I trade, plus these significant sizes. You will get notification when significant volume trades on some coin, and that will give you possibility to take awesome trades. Even this one, have a look at this, if 3.5K lots at 3:08 p.m. It is East European time. And have a look how the price reacted on that significant volume. It was exactly this one. Volume entered here, and price did this beautiful pullback. Sometimes when really huge volume appears, it's really worth it, and you will make significant money. If you open account on exchange and will trade on it, you will get access to this bot until the service works for us. That's it. What you'll do below this video on a stream, below the stream, you'll find a link on Exchange. Just open link on Exchange. That would be, by the way, a bonus during these days if you open account. And after that, fill this form to get access. That would be this form, and my team will give you access after when you fill this. That's it. Okay. BTC and Ethereum is down. Friends, looks that at this moment there could be Doubler. I look at both of them. But for me, it's the most important spot. But once more, if huge volume appears on the futures, still price can move a lot on the futures. On exchanges, there are robots that cause correlators. It is a special robots that they have only one task, is to make your price moving closer to actual price that's at this moment. And when significant volume appears on the futures and price move on the futures, I think you can notice that on all exchanges prices follow. That calls correlation. And based on that correlation, you can trade both markets. But still, my best situations that I remember, it always when on a spot market, enormous volume entered. Okay, at this moment, BTC, we wait for retest to VWAP. BNB really close to retest a VWAP. Let's check what is going to happen here. At this moment, we have interesting level 276. 276. It's exactly here, above all of this stuff, because it is a level where this volume traded on a spot market. Let's see if price reaches this level. It's really close to it. What will be the reaction? If reaction beautiful, we will take beautiful trade. Doubler, do you look for anything significant at the high and low of the footprint candles? Yes, I always look for this because when significant volume enters, quite often price do reaction of that volume. I like when we have a candle, for example, price moves down, price moves down. After that, like significant pending order appears, price moves to this and breaks it. And after that, that volume become important support. I like this stuff. In some cases, they do opposite. Significant volume appears, they break it, trade, and after that, that volume become like this one. That's why big significant volume is always important for me, especially if it is at low or high. Okay, price close to retest VWAP, friends. Maybe that would be potential entry soon. Be ready. BNB also, BTC also looks like there could be some potential pullback. And same with ETH. On a Dogecoin, significant volume entered, but nothing going on. Rangy market. It's really rangy market. Sadly, that's I don't know. When I book a live with my team to prepare a live, sadly, I don't know on what days there would be volatility and what days there would be a range. And that's why we should wait for opportunity. Guys, how many of you can wait for opportunity for several hours? How many of you easily wait for good opportunity for several hours? And my friends, I remind to you to subscribe to this channel because have a look. When you will open this channel, first, what you will get this beautiful playlist entirely for free, important lessons that you need to understand DOM and footprint trading, order flow trading. What's DOM? What's a footprint? Strategies for scalping, order flow, best platforms, best indicators. Soon there would be a series of lessons regarding best indicators for trading. That's why at this moment I ask you to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends that have desire to learn order flow trading, because a lot of stuff we are going to share with you entirely for free. That's why just join, and we'll help you understand these topics. We'll help you start making money in scalping and avoid mistakes of most of the beginners. That's why simply subscribe, like, and bro, can you talk about TVT? I have already saw your plan on trading you, but want to know more detail about current situation. If most of the people vote regarding TVT, we will check it, because at this moment everything looks that BNB could reach VWAP, and we potentially could take short. Same with BTC at this moment. Looks like BTC struggled to continue dropping, and retest VWAP also could give to us potentially good short entry. Same on ETH. Same on ETH. Like all of these coins, because they retested these important levels. Sadly, there is no significant volume. Sadly, there is no significant volume to trade right now with us. Mhm. 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 I can wait for days. Doubler, good. This is my weakness. Tell Pana, max me if there would be electricity. Max, if you have optovolcano, buy generator, because internet still will work. Mm. Looks, friends, looks that this significant volume still played out, because Dogecoin here, 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 and here. It's this place is where that significant volume traded. It is 84.64. Let's build it here exactly. 84.64. It is this one. Looks like this volume established, and there potentially could be some interesting movement. Maybe they could retest even a view up. Let's see. Because volume, still, as I remember, I told you that this volume 31 million, it is not really the biggest ones that I would be happy to trade with you. But still, they are slowly pumping, slowly. Doubler, I over trading in the beginning. Honestly, it's the worstest thing what can be over trading. Hey Yuri, what's your win rate and risk reward on your strategy? Farkas, Risk reward depends on the situations. There could be situations that we easily can take 1 to 10. In normal cases, it is 1 to 5, 1 to 6. It is in average what I potentially could take. Win rate also nearly 45-50%, because sometimes you like size appears, sometimes size appears, you take a trade, but price make fake breakdown of a size you re-enter. That's why win rate like 45%, that's normal. Farkas, I have a friend that do. I have a friend that do smart money trading, but still he don't do a pure smart money. We analyzed together our best trades, and we understood that the best it is when you have smart money, like powerful, important zones, plus significant volume in a footprint. In those cases, you have combinations of two powerful strategies, and in those cases, it's really powerful to trade, because smart money good, but your stop loss is always wide, especially on the crypto. And with significant volumes, you have accuracy. Smart money gives to you proper zones where you can take a trade. That's why combination is good of a smart money. What I understood that not working at this moment on this market, it is old technical analysis that were established many years ago. Because at this moment, what I saw after many mistakes, after many stop losses, that like trend line breakouts, key level breakouts, on this range market, it's difficult to trade it, because so often before breakout of any levels, they do fake. After that, again fake. After that level, they do again fake. Like, certainly levels and trend lines in most cases whales use as opportunity to steal money from retails, but key areas, key zones like this one, it's really powerful places. Doubler, about stop losses, everything depends where we open a trade, what trade we take. Because at this moment, still, there are nearly more than 1 hour we together, but still we didn't take a trade. And main reason why we didn't take a trade, because we don't have any significant zone and we don't have any significant volume. You just can take some joke trades. Mm-hmm. Let's check. Let's check this coin, AAV. Have a look, friends. AAV. It is a trade that we sent today, a few hours ago, if you remember, in our channel. And they moved volume lower. At this moment, they moved volume lower. It is a member of our community sent it. Sasha, are you here on a live? Doubler, do you lock in profits on one-to-one risk reward with your stop loss, for example? Man, everything depends on the situation. Let's discuss this one. Guys, what's going on at this moment on AAV? We have significant volume that traded today, few hours ago. That volume were established today in the morning and some player just pushed down this limit order. And at this moment, there's still possibility for another drop. Price 0.68% from this significant order, 58.5, 58.5. It is exactly here, 58.5. 4.1 thousand coins, 4,400 coins multiplied by 58, it is $237,000 on a spot market. Not bad. Only one problem, that price really is so far from VWAP, but let's see if the price reach that level, we definitely should see a potential reaction. This coin at this moment in the middle, this coin in the middle of this range, really powerful support and powerful resistance. Mm. Friends, again, this is stuff of electricity. No, life hasn't stopped. I still here. I still hear and I still see. There would be problems with electricity in our place for next week. That's why we'll use generators, but still everything is okay. Let's continue with everything what's going on. Welcome back. Yeah, guys. Doubler, are you still here? I will reply to your questions. At this moment, we have this important level that we pay attention to. This one. Let's see how price would react on this stuff. What else? BTC. As I told you, BTC potentially short at VWAP. Same as ETH. Same as BNB. And same as Doge. All of them far below from VWAP. And all of them would be really interesting to take short at VWAP. But at this moment, Yuriy, if I make 1 million from nothing in the future, we'll meet to a coffee to talk about trading. Man, you'll make money only when you will become better than someone. You will have competitive advantage. That competitive advantage could be your experience, could be your speed, could be access to some data, but still there must be some will, also power to wait for the strongest opportunities and enter with significant volume. It's also competitive advantage because many people struggle. I know I saw many people really good wise with experience, but they struggle to enter significant volume. Mm-hmm. Friends, type into a chat what coins should we analyze together. Good. Because power cut. They at this moment I'm from the grid because they gave electricity back to us. But what was the problem? We were on generator, and to switch, we do it manually. Our generator is not automatic, and to do it, you go out, you. Okay, let's check the IDEX. Friends, at this moment, highly remind to you to be in the middle of our Discord community. This one link. Get free alerts in our private Discord. There, I share really the most powerful volumes that appears. Let me show to you the scalping. Here you have BikoTrading public. And in BikoTrading public, you have access to scalping trades. When any significant volume appears, like 25% of ideas, I share it here, and you can get access. Yeah, this stuff entirely for free. Also, our lessons that we publish, article importance that will help you make money. All of this stuff you will get here, and you will get notification, announcement about our future live streams, free lessons that will help you start with proper scalping. All of this entirely here. That's why just remember to join. Let's go here. BTC forming at this moment this local fake breakdown on 1 hour. That means potentially there could be some pullback to this VWAP, and here we'll try to take short, additional short. The same here on ETH. And BNB, have a look on this fake breakdown. Like all of these coins at this moment, better to wait for a pullback to VWAP, and after that take short. Same with Dogecoin. Retest to VWAP and potentially take short, because at this moment there's too far. Let me check coins that I promised to you, Didex and AVAX. Let's open AVAX because I have it here on a list. AVAX at this moment on a bigger time frame scale, in the middle of this significant volume profile area. On a bigger time frame scale, let me check. Globally, the price in the middle of this downward trend. Like, I think you can see this stuff really clearly. I like that biggest volume appears at bottom. That's a signal that someone that enter here got liquidated. Quite often after that, there could be some movement. At this moment, the most important question, the price broke all of this significant volume area. And in normal cases, after breakout of such volume areas, there could be some trend down. Like this breakout true? If yes, there could be additional drop. Like at this moment, while price in the middle of this range, it's really difficult to consider any long trade. Because if you take long trades, that means you're against that significant volume. And also to take short at this moment, it is too late, because next really powerful short zone, it is here. That's why it is a place like better to wait. Didex. Didex pumping while whole entire market is down. Have a look how Didex exactly retested this biggest volume profile area. Have a look and just jump from it. Volume started building at high. They did this retest of this key level. Have a look. Didex, honestly, at this moment, compared to many other coins, looks really well. It looks really well. At this moment, I see that Didex at this moment found its support zone. It is this one. If Didex, after this support zone, starts slowly squeezing up, that would be a signal of beautiful breakup. Nearly the same BNB did before breakout. Have a look. What BNB did before breakout? BNB came, broke this important range, came to this area. Let's do like this one. Reply. BNB did this one, and have a look how this significant volume and this volume became important support for BNB. And after that, BNB slowly started rising and pumped to next important area. That's why this stuff important. On Didex, honestly, Didex at this moment looks maybe the best compared to other coins. But we need, guys, before you consider any entry, we need some pattern just to jump in because you like it. It is not a way. It's not how you can do it. There must be some places, patterns, confirmations to take a trade. But Dydex globally really beautiful. Venom, you are on short on AVAX. Yeah, AVAX looks weak. There is no signals. There is no any signal of power. Cheers here, my dear friend. About this coin have a look how they took stop losses of retailers. Took stop losses, took stop losses, took stop losses. It's like a squid game. At this moment, it is exactly in the middle of this range. And if you believe that we are going to up, like in the middle, still it is not the best place to enter. What else we have at this moment? This massive volume at bottom. Like this significant volume area, it is really wide area. I don't like such wide areas because sometimes price would retest even this lower size, and sometimes they would bounce with this highest one, sometimes with this lowest one. You don't know from which volume price exactly would bounce, but locally it looks stronger than the market, but I would wait for some better pattern. But it looks bullish. It looks bullish, but still we need some better patterns for a clear entry. Okay, let's wait. Max, bad market maker. Yeah. Guys, we'll wait with you until any significant volume appears. Let's make a deal. At this moment, it is 5:36 p.m. my time. If any significant volume appears that we can trade within next 25 minutes, we will trade it. If not, we'll finish the stream because just to sit, just sit here for sitting, it is not the best. We must wait for some patterns, some situations. That's all of the stuff when you trade, especially significant volumes in a proper zones. It remind me fishing. You wait. You just simply wait, and you don't know when that exactly happens. Okay, guys, at this moment, everything looks that BTC is going to retest VWAP. I do not take this counter trend entry because if that entry would be at level or there would be some significant volume, we would take it. Just to take it because of technical analysis, it's not how we do this stuff. Let's check again if there any significant volume that on the heat map. We are checking at this moment significant volume on a heat map. Solana at this moment, what's going on Solana? 111,000 coins as a buy limit on a futures market. Let's check, is this size really significant for Solana? How many of you know how to check is this size significant to Solana or not? This one, 126. Let's do normal settings, 200. Two. Sadly, guys, have a look. And at this moment, Solana is rising from this big volume. This volume for Solana is not bad. Main reason because you can check 5 minutes cluster, and if this volume at least bigger than 5 minutes cluster, that's good. That's a good potential for a bounce. If a volume bigger than a cluster at least in a several times, like 5 times, that's amazing. If 10 times and more, definitely take the trade. You just should be in. At this moment, what we can do, just wait for this one, 7.6. Exactly below this level. Let's see what is going to happen. I also will add alert on Solana to see what is going to happen with that volume. Maybe there could be some potential entry. Okay, exactly here. If price reaches this volume, we will get notification. FTM update, please. Max, when will be a scalp at Uker channel? Soon. On next week, I will try to do on one day on English channel, on another day in Ukrainian channel. About Solana, locally this volume appeared, friends, here at low, but this volume appears in the middle of nothing. Honestly, that's really sad because that won't help us to make any trade. Solana, as you can see, also below this significant volume, and this significant size in the middle, maybe this volume. Let me check. Not even this one. Even this one, have a look. Biggest volume that established, still that volume far below it. That's really sad. That's really sad. Have a look how price bounced from significant volume here several times. That's example for you how it works. At this moment, I would rather consider taking short here than taking long at this volume, because there's no other preconditions for long. Okay, Solana, maybe someone else show to us a significant volume. I use divergence. I use divergence, but I use another type of divergence. Most of you didn't hear about that type of divergence. Tell me, please, how many of you understand what is delta divergence? How many of you know what's delta divergence? It is stuff that I sent to my friend. Like, I have a friend, he is in Dubai at this moment with his family. And it is a picture that I sent to him. We speak in Ukraine language together. And have a look on this example. What do you see, guys, on the chart? BNB futures market, price far above VWAP, price at this moment did small pullback. But during the time, have a look what happened with Delta. Yeah, cumulative delta. Yeah, cumulative delta. Cumulative delta. This stuff, guys, this stuff, it calls absorption because someone by market sold into a delta. Have a look here. Delta were positive by 13,000 and here delta become negative by 2,000. That means approximately 15,000 coins as a delta were sold, but price, instead of making really significant drop, because have a look, delta exactly covered all this rise, but it didn't. It's exactly stopped. That means someone absorbed all the sellers and move up to take their stop losses. and by the way, it was the places that we traded with community. It was a trade that we took with community. It was this trade. Have a look how plus in that delta significant volume appeared, 7.11 thousand. And have a look how price after that. Have a look, my friends. Significant volume, local rise, retested, again rise, again price retested significant volume, and after that, that significant volume become important resistance. Have a look how many times significant volume played out. And this delta, they grabbed stop losses of retails at high. And price exactly reached significant volume at 292, if you remember that I sent to you. That's how it works. Sometimes it's this stuff, honestly, a little bit boring because you wait, you just sit and wait. You do nothing. You wait until that significant volume appears. At least I have time to record videos for you. Type into a chat at this moment how many of you saw at least 2 videos on our YouTube channel. Type plus into a chat, at least 2 videos. Oh, this one better. Good, good. Max, but in Ukraine channel. Good. It's also good. Guys, pay attention at this moment to this 111,000. They're close to this. At this moment, what I do, I change numbers into black because I sit at computer nearly whole day, and for me it's difficult to see numbers when they white. They took too much of my eyes attention. At this moment, this volume, whole market moves down, and from my point of view, this size also could be broken because have a look, BTC. At this moment, there is no reason why BTC must stop. There is no volume. Delta super negative down. That means someone sell a lot of coins. BNB, what's going on with BNB? BNB also down. If Ethereum, have a look how Ethereum moves. Oh, finally some volume appeared on Ethereum. Why this filters didn't play out? I think at this moment, this volume could be broken on Solana because whole entire market is down. Let's see. Let's see, my friends. If some of you like, you can try to take a breakdown of this significant volume. Let's try to take breakdown of this volume. Guys, during the streams, I do not use big volume because this... And fuck. As you can see, I put it by market, a small amount, just small amount to take real low. If the price will go down to hit this real low, just would keep it. Did you see how this volume filled? 213,000 coins. This volume really true. And at this moment, let's see will this volume become important resistance. Because if this volume become important resistance, still they will need to take at least to go down to for real low. In other cases, it's not wise. Also, have a look what's going on with Ethereum. Significant volume established on Ethereum. But why I don't see any significant volume here? Why there is no? Because it means again you have bullshit volume. Friends, sorry that I move from one platform to another. I just do a few stuff to see that everything is okay. Really small breakdown of this volume happened. Really small. Sadly, I didn't close this half percent. Max, damn, 110% on BTC. Yeah. Because BTC and whole entire market is down, friends. At this moment, there is no reason to stop. And even this 1,000, is it real or not? Because what we have a problem with this platform sometimes write fake numbers in a footprint. And that's a problem because when I check on another platform, like here, only 9,000. But because of that, there could be some trade decisions. This Solana, friends, that big volume were broken, and sadly here I didn't take it. They came here and took my break even. At this moment, should we try to take another short? I take this stuff with really smallest volume, 500 USD, because we are 2 hours without trades, and just to make some fun for us. But friends, risk per position when I do such stuff, 2 USD, not more. When there would be really powerful ideas that we can consider for entry, I will tell you, because at this moment it is not the greatest time for us to build some trade, because price in the middle of this range and price below VWAP, like if significant volume would be here, it would be perfect short. But at this moment, in the middle of nothing. At this moment, pay attention to Ethereum, because Ethereum really close at this moment to this significant level. And let's see what will be reaction on this level. There could be long only in a case if price hits this level sharply and significant volume appears, especially on the spot. That's it. And from that area, price can make a retest even to VWAP. If happens next stuff, Ethereum hit level, slowly ranges and squeeze at level, that's bad. That's a signal for potential breakdown. And by the way, about Ethereum, this trading plan, friends, I sent to our community members today at what, at 10:29, at 10:33, trading plan for Ethereum. That Ethereum is going to drop, same as BNB. Max, are you still in Ethereum short? About Solana, we should pay attention to this 117,000 because it is really a huge volume. And what will be the next at this volume? Because at this moment, if the price closes at least 5 minutes candle below this volume, there could be potentially some local short to at least for reload. But I would be happy to see at least 5 minutes close below. Mm-hmm. 5 minutes close below. 0.22. Okay, let's try with really small, or we should not. Okay, let's try, guys. Risk, at this moment, I try to take short for continue on this coin, on Solana. But once more, my risk really small because it is not perfect trade. It is not in a good place. I just take it for educational purpose. When that would be a really powerful place, I will tell you, because this one is just for some joke trades, I call it. This volume important. Let's see if we'll be able this volume to become important resistance for Solana. Because at this moment, BTC, what BTC did? BTC did it finally some impulse down. Finally some impulse down, the volume increase. But in normal cases, BTC finish its movement after when it's accelerate. That must be like this one. You saw it many times when BTC do like this one, accelerate. We need something like this for a clear bottom, because at this moment, Solana, have a look. Pay attention to Solana. Solana, at this moment, we can forget about this volume. Why? Because pay attention. Price just broke this level of this volume. That's really bad. Why? Because in normal cases, when significant volume appears, this significant volume must become important support or resistance, but they easily broke it back. And that means a player that enters the market here have no interest to push price down, like at this moment. Maybe this player has desire to move price down lower, but before they can create a range or something like that. What's the problem? They easily can take your stop loss several times before making any movement. That's why it's better to get out from this trade. Why you do not short on why you do not short Pegasus Clausus? We do not open short on BTC because at this moment there is no pattern, there is no setup that I trade. There must be a setup that I try to take short on BTC. In other cases, what's the reason to take? To just give money to the market? There are high probability setups that I trade that potentially could give good profit. Example for you, it is what I share with our community members in trading plans. It is when some significant volume appears in a proper place. During that time, like this one, when I wrote to community members that next what BNB is going to do to reach significant volume. Price reads that volume and drop by 2 times. Price drop from that volume by 8%. Like that's calls high probability setups. But at this moment, to take short based only on trend, it's too risky because what will be a reward potential? At least retest to VWAP, that could be potentially a good place to take short on BTC. In other cases, it's just risky for us. Dogecoin just dropping. Whole time market is down. There's nothing. Okay, I saw a few seconds ago alert on CNZ. I can be without a position for a really big period of time because I would wait until I will see something really significant. Friends, at this moment on Change Z, significant volume, 1.5 million coins, but in the middle of nothing. That's why, no, forget about this. Did some of you took short on ETH or guys? Did some of you took short on Ethereum or BTC? Type plus if you have any short on BTC, Ethereum. Have a look on this beauty. 5% since start of a morning. You took short on Sol, sadly. Holy shit. They exactly, have a look what they did. They exactly took stop losses at level, and at this moment they are dropping. About Sol, remember that price already dropped from VWAP by 5%. And if you take short at this moment, price make real low, here you get out from your short. Do not keep short for a long period of time at this moment. Because I closed my short and at this moment price is dropping into our favor. Have a look what's going on, guys. Solana at this moment did this real low. Stelpana, why you long on algos? There was no. Why you long on algos? There was no pattern. About Solana at this moment, it just did a real low. It is a good time to book at least part of profit. Because at this moment, what they can do, they can go easily and take stop losses of short sellers into this area. Remember a few seconds ago, I told you when price so far from view up and you take bounce breakout of a size, during real low, you always book at least part to be out of any risk. Because what's the problem in all of this? They market whales. They also understand that a lot of people build short positions and they grab stop losses of buyers, people that bought, like have a look on this volume increase. It's definitely stop losses of buyers. And quite a lot of people trade breakout patterns. And what happened to them? They trap them, and where most of the short sellers at this moment hide stop losses. Here. And at this moment, really, normally it would be easy to go into this place to take stop losses of everyone. That's why when you take, it must be really fast when you trade with such volumes. Because in other cases, have a look what they do. At this moment, maybe you will see it by your own eyes that they could go here, take stop losses. About Ethereum, also finally some volume appeared. That means potentially Ethereum could do some pullback to VWAP, but still price below VWAP, and still only when price reach below this area, only in this case, there could be some potentially powerful zone for long entry. Until that, still coin bearish, because at this moment there is nothing that could show to us a signal of opposite. There is no any signal of opposite pattern at this moment. Okay. Friends, at this moment, it is 6:05 p.m. At this moment, if you enjoy what we did together, push like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's important for us. Also, that's important for you because we will help you understand scalping and make money on this. And I definitely will help you analyze the market charts as we do all of this. Even this playlist, at this moment, what will be your homework? Here I'm sending to you this playlist into a chat. Just watch at least first 10 videos, 9 videos, first 9 videos, and believe me, you will understand a lot about scalping. That would be your first steps to start making money on this. And second, what I highly recommend you to do below the stream, there would be this link into our Discord. Just open and join our Discord club because when I see powerful patterns, ideas, I will share with you here in market analysis. In market analysis, we have trading view updates, scalping trades. 25% of significant volumes I share with you here entirely for free. And for people that will have desire to join our this channel, that will share with you significant volumes 24/7. Open account by our partner exchange by this link. When you deposit it with minimal account and at least do one trade, you will get access. You will need to fill the form. If you're from the US, you also can use that exchange. But if you need any help, you can fill this form, and my team will help you do all of this stuff. And you will get access to really powerful volume and this stuff. Friends, rate please by 10 this stream. Can I use it in Belgium? Yes, you can use it. You can use it in whole European Union, in Belgium, Germany. Doubler, I see that you like those significant volumes. They're really cool stuff, especially when it in a proper place. And at this moment, pay attention about Solana. At this moment, it's interesting to see how this volume will play out, and also pay attention to this 85K. In normal cases, they will need to go to take stop losses of short sellers. That would be wise for market maker. Friends, do more raids. We need more people to do raids about our stream. Thank you for attending here. Remember, if you support us with like, subscription, and sharing it with other people, more people follow, more desire to create such streams for you, even on weekly basis, to find good, powerful places. Today, the stream, I think it was 7 of 10, because we were good on market direction. We spot on exactly in what direction market would move. And on Solana, we do some joke trades. Sadly, it wasn't the best execution from my side, but still, price played out that significant volume. Price exactly played out this significant volume. Why I cannot call this stream like 10 of 10? Because we didn't have really large volume to take a trade, but still, sometimes we have it, sometimes we don't. That's why it's like fishing. Sometimes you have a lot, sometimes you have nothing. That's why it's important to be in a community. And once more, remind to you that you can get access to a lot of stuff, significant volumes trading plans, if you open an account by our trustful exchange and trade together with us. Thank you for your time, my friend. And remember to use order flow in your trading, because it is the best indicators ever, because they will show to you where people really make a trade and execute it. And that will help you make money. And have a look. Solana is going to take stop losses of short sellers. I hope all of you close sold here. And at this moment, minimum into this area. There will be pain for those short sellers. There must be pain. Okay, guys. Thank you for your time. Bye.